Ever walk into your parents' house and feel your brain tense up, like it refuses to relax until everything's straightened? Your eyes are already scanning drawers, shelves, and corners, and you catch yourself thinking, I'm just helping, right? But why does tidying their space feel strangely satisfying, while sitting still makes you restless? This is the psychology of people who love organizing their parents' home. And it's not really about the mess. There's a deeper reason your brain craves control, responsibility, and that quiet urge for order. Your mental safe zone amid family chaos. You know the little things you do, rearranging the spice rack, straightening piles, folding towels just so, almost without thinking? Or maybe you silently judge the cluttered drawer you pass by every time, feeling that tiny surge in your brain that screams, ugh, this isn't right. You often start fixing things before your parents notice. Leaving it messy just doesn't feel right. These small habits aren't about perfection. They're breadcrumbs showing how deeply your brain values order, control, and the calm that makes your family space and your mind feel right, even when you can't help yourself. Ever notice how tidying your parents' home feels like a quiet tug you can't ignore? It's not really about the mess. Psychologists say this behavior often comes from a mix of control and responsibility. Your brain rewards order because it feels safe, predictable, and calm. Maybe part of you worries things won't be right unless you intervene, or that leaving disorder around loved ones could reflect poorly on you. That nervous tug, the satisfaction of straightening a drawer, the relief when everything feels aligned. It's your brain's way of creating calm amid uncertainty. It helps maintain a sense of care and control in the spaces you love, even when you don't realize it, especially around people you care about, and while your brain keeps nudging you toward order. Ever notice how fixing a crooked picture or straightening a counter feels secretly satisfying and almost impossible to resist? It's not just about neatness. These habits are rooted in deeper patterns you learned growing up, keeping spaces right to avoid conflict, feel competent, or protect your loved ones from chaos. Your brain now links order with safety, comfort, and emotional control. That tiny twitch when something feels off, it's an instinctive nudge shaped by past experiences and family dynamics. Organizing your parents' home becomes more than a task. It's a subtle way to maintain emotional balance, feel capable, and care for the people you love. That's also why your brain keeps nudging you toward order. Ever catch yourself rearranging your parents' shelves or straightening things and wonder why you can't just stop? It's not mere habit or neatness. It's tied to deeper insecurities and your brain's quiet need for control. Maybe part of you worries that if everything isn't just right, it reflects poorly on you, or that chaos could spill over into your own sense of stability. Organizing gives a subtle hit of calm and competence, almost like a mini victory over uncertainty. That urge to fix, align, and tidy isn't random. It's your brain protecting, controlling, and reassuring itself, especially when it comes to caring for the people you love. Ever notice that calm, satisfied feeling after organizing your parents' home? It's not just neatness. Your brain rewards control, safety, and care. Every straightened drawer, aligned spice, or folded towel signals that you're protecting your space, your loved ones, and even yourself. Maybe you didn't realize it. These small acts soothe anxiety, reinforce competence, and quietly boost confidence. Your urge to fix, align, and arrange is deeply human, a mix of love, responsibility, and your brain's way of creating balance in a chaotic world. That quiet drive makes you thoughtful, caring, and attentive. Ever notice the quiet pride you feel and wonder why, after finishing small tasks in your parents' home, shelves aligned, towels folded, counters straightened? It's more than accomplishment. Your brain rewards order because it signals control, competence, and care for those you love. Maybe part of you worries that if you don't intervene, something could go wrong or feel unsettled. That subtle anxiety drives the urge to act, but also gives a sense of relief and satisfaction once everything feels aligned.
These micro actions are your brain's way of creating emotional balance. They help maintain a calm, safe environment for yourself and for your family. That quiet sense of achievement acknowledges your care and responsibility, leaving you subtly proud. Take a moment and think about your space, your home, your routines, your comfort. Feeling protective of it doesn't make you antisocial, it makes you human. Notice the small ways you guard your peace, the subtle habits, the micro boundaries. These aren't flaws, they're signals that your brain is working to keep you safe, balanced, and calm. Your urge to tidy, organize, and align isn't broken, it's adaptive. It's your brain's way of maintaining control, competence, and emotional stability while caring for the people and spaces you love. So next time you straighten a shelf, fold a towel, or adjust a picture frame, pause and acknowledge it. That quiet attention, that small act of order is a reflection of thoughtfulness, responsibility, and care. And that's the psychology behind why organizing your parents' home feels so satisfying. It's not just neatness, it's your mind nurturing calm, care, and connection.